Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another super exciting unboxing video on my channel. So this is the Potronics RuffPad. So let's unbox this thing. First of all, I have ordered this thing from Amazon, but I don't have a box of Amazon as I threw it. So using the box of Snapdeal. Here is the main box. Well, you know, Amazon packs things really very good. This came in a good bubble wrap. Here is the Potronics RuffPad external box. There are many specifications mentioned on the box. RuffPad 8.5 inches, rewritable LCD pad, easy writing portable, 2-year battery, and save trees. Yes, you need to save trees. So this video is in two angles, so you get a better idea of what this product is actually about. Well, here is the close-up of the product. Subscribe to Beta Console channel as well, and also leave a like. So this product costed me around $6.99 at the time I bought. I'll leave the link in the description. We'll check it out. So here is the pad. A very decent, very lightweight and extremely thin. Here is the delete button and the Potronics branding. As you can see, it's just around 4.5 mm or something, I don't know. Here's the pen at the left side, at the right side actually. And here is another professional or whatever look. So here it is. I'll try to write something. The screen here is reflective, so you need good light for it to be visible, but it's actually visible good. Clicking the delete button will erase everything. A delete button is hard button. The screen is pressure sensitive, so it would be better for some people who draw, like architects and civil engineers and computer science engineers and babies and whatever. This is the pressure sensitive screen, reflective screen. The battery will last for 3 years. At last, the RuffPad is really an awesome product, very useful for students and as well as office work. And my opinion is, for $6.99 this is the very cheap product, and Potronics is also a decent good brand. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me see you in the next video. Thank you.